How to fix parsing failed in DeepSeek. So if you want to fix parsing failed in DeepSeek, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your DeepSeek application. After launching the application, if you try to send a file, but if it's saying parsing file for a few minutes now, then all you have to do is just simply go back and then remove the DeepSeek from your background. After that, you need to open up your Play Store. Search for Play Store or find Play Store. After opening your Play Store, you need to search for DeepSeek on your Play Store. And if you have any updates on your DeepSeek, you need to just simply go with update, which will be on the right side. And after updating, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to find your DeepSeek application, tap and hold on to it, and then go with the app info. Under app info, you need to find storage and cache. Under storage and cache, you'll find clear cache. You need to tap on it. And after clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.